Welcome to the GCT.
Good morning. Welcome to a presentation on GCT ROIP Gateway. The initial part of the presentation has certain details about the company, and after that we have details about the GCT ROIP Gateway product. GCT or Green Connect Technologies is a Kolkata-based startup. We are into embedded design of different kind of telecommunication products, and we also deal in telecommunication projects of different nature. And besides that, we also work as a consulting organization to various underground wireless communication projects. What we fundamentally offer in terms of our product basket are broken up into three different parts. One is radio communication solutions, the second is emergency call solutions, and the third are other products. In the radio communication solutions, we have manufactured and these three different products. One is ROIP based gateways, second is GPS based solutions, third is voice loggers. Under emergency call solutions, we have created IP based emergency call box and VHF based emergency call box. Among the others category, we have designed and developed remote display systems which operate on GSM, 3G, 4G and Wi-Fi. We have also created an IP based audio platform for different kind of speakers and emergency systems. And another product which we have introduced into Indian Railways is a wireless solution for signaling, which connects axle counters in UFSBI for different signaling applications. Now we will go into the introduction of the GCT ROIP gateway. The ROIP gateway is fundamentally radio over IP gateway, which connects disparate radio networks over an IP link. This IP link could be a WAN or a LAN as per the requirements of the customer. And in terms of GCT ROIP link, it can be connected as a single point-to-point extension between two radio networks, or it could be a multi-site network with dialing and conferencing facilities available. So when you have a requirement of connecting two different radio networks over an IP link, so what we do is we connect the GCT ROIP to individual radio and connect them over a LAN or a WAN network. Now radio network A is interconnected with radio network B, so any radio of radio network A can directly talk to radio network B, and they become a network in which total communication is always transparent. And the second good feature about this is that radios could be of any band, low band, high band or UHF as per the requirement. So you could have a radio network A operating in low band and a radio network B operating in high band. So this is a point-to-point kind of connectivity where both the networks are seamlessly interconnected. The second requirement which could come in is a network where you have multiple locations to be interconnected. So there the architecture is very similar. The only thing is in this connection and interconnection facilities are provided to the subscriber radios. So any subscriber radio of radio network A can dial the dial-in number of radio network B or C or D and get interconnected, make the call and then disconnect as per his requirement. So here the connection disconnection is being provided to the subscriber radios, and you don't need any other dispatcher or manual intervention to connect and disconnect. This is required because otherwise, in case all these radio networks are seamlessly interconnected, then all the radio networks will always be jammed because of if any communication in any particular network would always go in and congest the other networks. That is why we have provided subscriber based dialing facilities by which they can connect or disconnect. This is a very unique feature of this product, and it is not available to the best of our knowledge among any other ROIP product in the world. Regarding interconnection facilities, we also have a dispatcher in case it is required from a control room to monitor the various communications, also make and disconnect calls if required. And this could be an independent dispatcher anywhere in the network, and it is a non-server based dispatcher for interconnection. Now this IP link could be a LAN network or a WAN network. Basically, if you have internet anywhere, you can get connected. So for a LAN network, it could be in a building or in a premises. You do not have radio connections or radio connectivity, so you could have disparate radio connections through a LAN network, or it could be a wide area network to cover a whole country or a state or a city if required. Now going into more details about the product, the GCT ROIP fundamentally is a radio audio port, a VoIP gateway, a client server and a call manager, all put together in a small compact lightweight system. It has got a built-in gateway and server capability which can handle a very large number of nodes. It can support, as I have informed you, single point-to-point or a distributed multi-site system. It runs on an embedded Linux platform and has an embedded call manager for automatic call routing, and its configurations are done through a web server for any parameter configuration and changes. Because it runs on a very latest generation Opus codec, It provides you exceptional audio quality at very low bandwidths, and it has been designed to operate with signals in schemes such as DTMF. So through this DTMF, you do network control and you connect or disconnect the node as required. We have various options available. We have a 1-channel version, a 2-channel version, and also a 4-channel version available for this ROIP links. And there is another optional facility which is available in ROIP is you can also have serial communication ports to transfer serial data between 2 or multiple locations. You could have as many as 3 serial ports in a GCT ROIP gateway. Regarding the network call management, as I have informed you, we have the facility to enable or disable a network connection through a DTMF command, which can be generated by any subscriber radio through his DTMF keypad. And another facility we have provided is a conferencing facility by which you can dial in up to 5 different nodes parallelly one by one and get connected to all of them. Then all these 5 nodes are in a conference mode, and you can also disconnect any one of them or all of them through a DTMF code, which is a disconnect code. A brief about the audio management. ROIP gateways are connected to radio networks or radios through carrier operated squelch and PTT and TX audio and RX audio. However, in case your radio is not providing PTT or COS outputs, we also have a VAD facility, which is voice activation detection, by which we do not need any more COS or PTT outputs. We also have a very good silence suppression facility and jitter buffer, by which your audio streaming quality improves. Regarding the audio codecs, as I said, we are using Opus generally, and which is a very high quality codec, and the latest generation codec provide you good stable audio at very low bandwidths. And configuration is through a web browser which is password protected, and connectivity is basically balanced 600 ohms, which is again adjustable through your software. And as I also informed you that we have RS-232 serial transport facilities also available optionally in this product, by which you can transfer up to 921.6 kbps baud rate on the serial port, and we are giving up to 3 serial ports. Now regarding the dispatcher, we have a light dispatch solution which you can connect anywhere in the network, and it is very easy to set up because it doesn't require any central servers, and you have the flexibility of complete customization as per your standard operating procedure and requirements. So this dispatcher fundamentally allows you to 3 different options are there. One is a call manager, where you can set up individual calls and group calls, manage various kind of conference calls, and monitor different kind of calls. You can also make calls and disconnect those calls, and all those calls would be encrypted over the network. And this also allows you license-based remote ROIP authentication. And brief about the dispatcher screen. So you have different ROIP nodes, their IDs, their aliases, and their present status can also be understood from the dispatcher screen. The difference about this dispatcher is it can be, as I said, set up anywhere in the network, doesn't require any central server, and it is a very light dispatcher. You can put it on a PC, plug it into a LAN or a WAN network, and will start operational. Regarding the future, we are also working on a design by which you can connect this ROIP through a GSM dongle or a 3G or a 4G dongle to connect disparate sites. So on one side you have a radio, and other side, instead of a LAN or a WAN connection, you could just have a 3G 4G dongle, and you get interconnected to a very disparate network. So thank you for your time, and in case you have any queries or you have any requirements of this product, you can contact us at the details given below. Thank you. Good day.